Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make very delicious chocolate tea. It's a different style. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I've taken 2 cups of milk and I've poured into a pan. With that, I've taken 1 tablespoon sugar. So I've turned the flame on low, and now we're going to move towards the next ingredient. That's going to be cocoa powder, dark cocoa powder. I've taken half tablespoon of that, and now we're going to take the regular tea and we're going to add it. Like I've taken 1 teaspoon, and now we're going to turn the flame on medium. So we're gonna let it boil and we're gonna wait until it gets out to be boiled. Once it's gonna get boiled, then we're going to move towards the next part. And as you can see, the milk or the tea has gotten boiled. Now we're going to add chocolate chips, about 1 tablespoon into it, and then we're going to add 2 bars of chocolates. I'm gonna take 2 bars of chocolate and then I'm gonna crush it. You can take any chocolate, like if you like to add the chocolate you like, you can take it from the supermarket. And then with that, I'm going to mix it quite well with the help of a whisk so that the chocolate get melts and mixed in the tea quite well. While I'm mixing it, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos. We're going to mix it for 2 to 3 minutes so that the chocolate chips and the chocolate bar get melted quite well and mixed it into it. And then we're going to take it out. We're going to turn off the flame now and pour it into a presentable cup. Well, you can also increase or decrease the quantity of the chocolate. If you do not like to add chocolate chips, you can just skip that part. Or if you do not like to add dark cocoa powder, you can also skip that part. Well, you can add the chocolate of your liking. Some people like dairy milk. You can add dairy milk or whatever that's available at your near store. So I've taken a cup. I'm going to pour the tea into it and I'm going to stain it, the tea particles out of, with the help of a strainer. And now the tea is ready to drink. Serve it in front of your guest and they're going to love it. So if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.